Oh my gosh, look.
Oh my god.
And you notice also the bridge has the similar colors painted the South flag.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold.
Good morning, everybody. We are in beautiful Curaçao. We did something that we don't normally do. One, we booked an excursion to Royal Caribbean. Two, we did it while on board. Both things we've never done before. We're flying by the seat of our pants, but it's going to be a lot of fun. We're doing a Curaçao highlights and beach tour today. Looking forward to it. It's like 3.5 hours long. It'll give us plenty of time to explore afterwards. Pretty excited about this one. Let's see what the girls are up to. Kelly's in the shower. Stella refuses to wake up. We've been trying. Caitlin is doing her makeup and playing on her phone as per usual. And she's giving me that morning face that I've grown accustomed to. Love you, girl.
Love you too.
Yeah, so a pretty exciting day ahead for us. So stay tuned, follow along. The fun starts now.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah.
Well, they got us all lined up according to bus number, and we are rolling. It's a very organized process. We don't normally, A, book the excursion while on board, and B, book it through Royal Caribbean, but this time we did. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, though. It would help, though, if I had my mic on this morning when I told you where we were. And I didn't. Bummer. So we're off. We've got this ship over here, and it is beautiful. The Caribbean Princess. I've never seen that ship before. I've heard about it. That is a really cool looking ship. Me likey. Gonna have to look into booking that one. If you've been on that ship, why don't you add it to the comments down below? Let me know what you thought of it. I see the buses up ahead. So it's really not that far from the port when you think about it, because we're right here.
Hey, it's me again. So now we're gonna go on a bus Still is cold.
Remember that taxi we got
But
in?
cringe.
Kayla?
But now, here's Dad. And I'm always told I need to be in the vlogs more. So here I am. And there's people behind me staring at me. See? I hope I don't have boogies. But I can drink here.
Okay, we made it to the bus. They got us loaded in here. I've got the perfect little mount in the seat in front of me. I like it. A lot of people here. It's a big giant like tour bus. It's way bigger than what we had in St. Martin, but it's comfortable, air conditioned. It's nice.
Yeah.
And you can see once again to the right
Here we are
side,
going
the bridge is
across
fixed
the
back to
famous
location,
bridge
so people can
in
walk
Curaçao.
across it.
It's actually way steeper than it looks. Okay, first stop is at the factory where they make the Curaçao liquor. I never pronounced it right.
Me neither.
Ever did I ever pronounce it right. Cruise geeks and cruise geekettes, if you're watching. Bambini, everybody! Welcome to the Curaçao Factory.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have white, blue, orange, green, and red. White, blue, orange, green, and red. White, blue, orange, green, and red. They have different color, but even when the color is different, it's the same taste. What? What? Yes, let's do it. Even when the color is different, it's the same taste. What? So, ladies and gentlemen, the color is only to celebrate. Oh wait, a lot of people take a picture of me. Come on, don't stop. You got it right away, my best side, because here we go. If they taste the same, why did they put the color? It's really biased for marketing reason, to sell it better. When you look at white liquor, that is very boring. It's like anything else. Like what? Okay, vodka, gin. Come on, people, I don't know nothing about liquor. Help me out. Rum, white tequila. All right, you see? I don't drink, but I'm gonna try. I don't know a lot. White liquor is like ron, tequila, coñac, amaretto, sambuca, aguardiente, triple C, vodka, gin. I don't know a lot, but anything, right? Imagine blue, orange. Imagine a blue piña colada, a blue Bahama Mama, a blue margarita, a blue daiquiri, a blue sex on the beach. Woo! Amen. Vámonos. Refresh our skin when it's very hot, we use glacial. Mosquito bite, just put glacial. Hurry, just put glacial. Somebody break your heart, just put glacial.
We're going to get drunk, apparently.
We don't do that here.
Hey, are you guys ready to go get drunk? Because that's what he said we're doing. Count me in. But anyway, they sprayed us with this stuff called glacial. It smells strange, but it really works for like sunburn and stuff, at least for me. Glacial. They spray it on everything.
Sure. Why not? Another one. Take 2, take 3, go for 4.
That tasted much better than I expected. That was really, really good. So the shop is pretty nice. They got it all. Take your pick. So I'm gonna pick myself up a nice bottle of Liqueur. I like the way this stuff smells, and it makes my neck feel better on the sunburn front. So we're gonna give her a go.
Well,
that tour was very abbreviated. 1 minute we were on a tour, the next minute we were in the gift shop, and now here we are back on the bus. So
you have to pay the
cool
import
place,
rates,
but you don't really see much about how it's made. They just show you a bunch of bottles of it. and explain the flavors. And
next rate is very complicated.
let's go.
To be able to
Stop number 2 is the beach. We got a good 2 hours to chill here, so we're gonna look for some fun. Hopefully there's a beach chair or something we can find and chill out. Maybe I can get the drone up. Well, we got ourselves a little cabana here at the beach. It was only 20 bucks and it came with 2 bottles of water. You can't beat that price. You're gonna pay, Royal Caribbean would charge you 100 bucks for this thing, easily. But I'm gonna try and get this drone up in the air. The wind is kind of hit or miss, so hopefully it survives, but wish me luck. Well, we tried to get the drone up in the air. It was pretty windy, so I didn't want to take any chances. I got maybe a little bit of footage, but I could hardly see my screen. So we'll see, but now I'm getting ready to go swim with Stelly Rubens. She's been bugging me all morning. Please, 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 please. So I'm gonna jump in the water. Caitlin's gonna do her thing. Lay out. And I'm gonna see if I can't convince Mommy to jump in the water too. Well, that was fun.
I took a nap.
She fell asleep on the beach, which is her prerogative. That's what she wanted to do this vacation, so more power to her. Stella and I went swimming. I flew the drone for a little bit. Now we're about to go tchotchke shopping. Stella is in search of that perfect tchotchke, and I'm absolutely certain she will find it. Everyone's changing out of their sandy clothes, and we've got about 40 minutes or so left before we have to be back on the bus. I feel like the tour was well organized. I didn't feel rushed at all. I felt like it was just enough time at the beach. Maybe a little bit longer would have been nicer, but it wasn't bad, and now we'll have plenty of time to do some exploring when we get back. So it's a good day. Yeah. Magic trick. Nice. You only get that kind of stuff in Curaçao, baby. Here you can see them moving the bridge. The bridge moves even with people on it. Pretty interesting. So like each section of bridge has its own little float that it goes on. And there's a motor at the end that moves it. And it moves it whilst you're walking across. Pretty interesting little setup there. I've never seen anything like that before in my life. Get ready to take the ferry across to the village. We could have taken the floating bridge, but it was a long wait. So we figured we'll just jump on this ferry, get over there and grab something to eat because I'm starving. You hungry?
No.
No? Have you eaten anything? Oh. What'd you eat?
Breakfast.
Oh. Watch your toes. And we're here.
Stella, do you have anything to say? No. You don't even want to say hi to Mortimer? What? What's your your favorite gifts you got today?
I didn't get any gifts.
Well, you're playing with one right now.
Yes.
What else did you get?
A man.
Are you gonna show? You gotta show all the peeps, you know what I'm saying? She'll show it soon. It's made out of a nut. Yep. You wanna say goodbye now? Say it.
Hi.
So we stopped at a little roadside cafe, the Iguana Cafe. It's right in the main drag of town. All kinds of food options. I was looking for something local and I think I probably found it. They told us to try the goat, but I don't see it on this menu. But I'm sure I'll try it at the market on the way back. But everyone here is starving, so we
Do you want to share French fries?
took a quick stop in this restaurant.
Or they have a kid though.
Oh.
Plus I was thirsty.
I'm gonna get a hamburger.
I don't know what these things
Hamburger? Or duck larron?
are. Toasty. Remember we know what toasties are.
Oh yeah, toasties. We learned that from Griffin Alyssa.
Grilled cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ham and cheese. Toasty ham and cheese.
You want a toasty?
You want a grilled cheese?
I think Stella will probably get a toasty.
No, I want chicken nuggets.
Or chicken nugget. I think I'm gonna get fish. So I ordered an Amstel Light, but it turns out it's an Amstel Bright. Who knew? I saw that earlier and I didn't know what it meant. I'm assuming it's the same thing, just a different name, but
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
it seems a little bit smaller in the bottle. Let's see how many ounces are in here.
So,
Aha, Klaykowski was right. There are only 9 fluid ounces in this bottle. It is 3 ounces short. And my spidey senses told me so, and I was right. But that's none of my business.
I wonder how far this, or I wonder what time we'll die.
It looks small. You get miniature?
It's funny you should say that, because I just said the same thing.
Let me see it.
It's actually 3 ounces smaller than a regular beer.
Oh, that's what you meant.
So cute.
So they,
Kelly thinks it's cute.
so they don't fill it up all the way. I can't take you serious in that hat. I feel like you should be with Ruthie.
I love my hat. What's wrong with my hat?
Ruth, you should get matching hats with Dad.
What's wrong with my hat?
Nothing. I think it's cute. I think Ruthie would look cute
I
in
like
one.
my hat. What's up, everybody? I'm back again to tell you what went wrong again. And as usual, I had mic issues. What I mean by mic issues is I forgot to turn the mic on again.
Oh no! We suck again!
Only this time in the opening scene where I'm like, welcome to Curaçao. As you can see, I'm talking. There's just no sound. I didn't realize I didn't have any sound until after we had gathered in the theater for our excursions, and I was like, well, maybe we'll just film it later. And that's what we did. We filmed it about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Everybody was getting ready for dinner, and I had Stella pretend like she was sleeping. Caitlin was putting on her makeup already, and I was standing on the balcony pretending like it was morning. So once again, another behind-the-scenes look at my ineptitude and amateurism. And like I said, we'll get better at this. But until then, enjoy the bloopers. Okay? Good morning, everybody. We're in beautiful Curaçao, and we did something we don't normally do. 1, we booked an excursion through the cruise line, and 2, what was 2? Oh, okay. I forgot to turn my mic on. You know what? I can just do the recording later. I hope you can see my face.